Hey everybody, welcome back. Monday morning in the shop here. Came in today. Want to try and get the front springer leg on the Indian Larry tribute build done. So I think last time we twisted the front legs, we machined the lower ends for the legs that'll hold the rockers. And today we're going to look at getting everything assembled. We got some measuring to do. Figure out we got to do a slight wishbone bend in the legs. Once we do that, we can get those tacked into the upper cross brace, kind of brass knuckle deal that we machined up, probably 6 or 8 months ago now. And then we'll be able to cut off the twisted material to the proper length and install our lower ends that'll hold our rockers. So hoping to maybe get all that done today. We'll see how it all goes, but we're gonna get started. Alright, so first things first, we got to make some measurements so we know how much bend we need to put in these legs here. So I'm going to slide these lower ends in place. Just make sure it's nice and square to the table. And then we're going to get a measurement on what our current width is. So right now, our current width is 6 3/8. So our factory piece to the inside of our flat is 8 3/8, which means we need to get obviously 1 inch of offset on each one of these legs. So I'm going to take a piece of welding wire here, just kind of play with a little bit of bend. We got here and then here. See if that gives me a 1 inch offset. It looks like I probably got that to be too much. Alright, so this will be our little guide for our bends, and we're going to make them right about here and here on these legs. So we'll take these over to the vise. I'm going to bend them together so we get some uniformity, and fire up our torch. Alright, so we'll let that first bend cool down so we don't disturb it when we make our second bend. Alright, so we got our wishbone bent. Gonna head back over to the welding table. See, we cooled these things off, steaming away. Head back over to the welding table and start laying out our front end. Alright, so we got our pieces here. Gonna go ahead and reinsert our legs into our brass knuckle cross brace. check our measurement here. Both of these have a little bit of wave in them. So what we'll end up doing once we get these tacked into place, we'll clamp this all down, heat it up, and let it relax, straighten it out, just like we would an old Springer leg that was bent. So it looks like we're about 8.5, so we're about an 1/8 inch wide, but once this bolts together, it'll spring in just fine, so I'm not too worried about that. Also, I'm not super worried about these ends being off right here, because we are going to lop those off. This is way too long. Actually, I think I'm going to go ahead and measure now. Measure the factory leg, and then we'll measure this, get these marked, and go ahead and cut them off. Alright, so we got 20.5 on from the top of the spring perch to the center of the rocker mount. So right now on this we have 29.25. So 29.25, get out my calculator here. It should be about 8 3/4, I believe, is what we got to lop off, but I always like to confirm, especially when we got this much time in a piece. So we got 29.25 minus 20.5, 8 3/4. So we're going to come here. We are going to mark 8 3/4. Alright, going to take these over to the bandsaw, cut them off, and then we'll be back. Alright, so we got our pieces cut. Got our ends on. Come back here and double check our measurement. Perfect, 20.5. So next thing we got to do is get our legs tacked into our upright here. So I'm going to go ahead and clean those up, get them ready to weld. Alright, so we got those all welded in. Let that cool a minute, and then we'll move on to getting our end caps fit. I'm going to make sure everything looks cool on there. Then we'll head over to the mill and get those drilled for the rocker hardware once we get that done, we'll come back to the table, clamp everything down, and weld those in place. Alright, so we got all our pieces machined. Got some 1, 2, 3 blocks here that I'm going to use to clamp these bottom ends square. Alright guys, so we got done what we wanted to today. We got our front springer leg all welded up. This is still going to need a good bit of hand finishing. I got a little metal router. I'm going to router all these edges. A lot of hand filing, sanding and stuff. And then obviously this will go off to the polisher to get polished. I don't know. Maybe that's better. Yeah, you can kind of see that. So got our brass knuckles, twisted hex, double twisted, wishbone, front springer leg. All handmade here in the shop in Lake Worth. Manual machines. All stainless steel. This thing's going to shine up nicer than chrome. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. Got accomplished what I wanted here. Got this springer leg all welded up, ready for hand finishing. That's it. You know, slow progress on this bike. Last few months, gonna try and get back in here on Mondays, make some progress on it. Honestly, I can't even remember what we have left to do on it as far as mock-up goes. I know we got to make exhaust still, and I honestly don't even know what else. We're going to get this springer leg all assembled onto the springer. We'll get it into a roller. I think the bike still needs a kickstand, possibly some brake side forward control. Again, it's been so long since we really worked on it. I guess I'm going to have to go back and watch my own videos and see where I left off. But this was a big piece of the puzzle. Glad to have this at least all roughed in. This will be, you know, suitable enough to continue on with the fabrication and mock-up, and then we'll do all the finishing work when we break it down for final assembly. So anyway, as always, appreciate you guys being here. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. It's how you get all our latest updates and get to follow along with all the craziness we're doing. So we'll be back Sunday for our regular, or not Sunday, Saturday for our regular shop day. Not sure if we're going to be on the fuel bike or the shovel head yet. Figure that out as the week progresses. So anyway, thank you guys again, and we hope to see you next time at Gaddy's Garage.